Hi, this is Mikey with San Francisco Association of Realtors in the MLS department, and I'm here with another video on the changes to the new MLS 11. And what I've done here is I've just run a regular search. And previously, we've gone over the grid, the display, pictures, media, document, icons here at the top. And the last one we're going to go over is the map icon. So when I click on the map icon, you're immediately going to see that all of my listings and my search results have been put on the map. And if I wanted to see a street view of any of these listings, I could just click on them, and you can see that immediately the map sort of adjusts so that it shows the map view. And again, I can just scroll through these, and it's going to just sort of change there on the map view. Now, if I ever want to go back to more of an aerial view, I can go back up here to the map, click on this little arrow and say all listings. And again, it's going to zoom out and show me more of an aerial view of all of the different listings. The next thing I want to show you is if I click here on just another property, it's going to bring me back to the street view. And just like with the interactive map, there is the layers tool at the top. So we're going to click on that. And you're going to have a lot of options in here that you can overlay on the map, but let's just zoom in on a few. So one of the ones that I really like and I think is very helpful is the MLS sort of sub tool here. If I click on that, you're going to see districts and sub-districts. If I click districts, you can see in the background here that it's overlaid sort of a color gradient over the map. And if I zoomed out, it would show me what district that search result is in, or that particular property is in. And I can also do that with the sub-districts. So if I click that, you can see that another color is overlaid, and that's going to tell me what the sub-district is. So I'm going to unclick those. There's some other things in here, schools, you can do different schools. And then again, it's going to be an overlay or gradient. Another option here is parcels. So if I click on parcels, you can see that each individual parcel now is showing up here on the map. And if I wanted to, I could hit Control and click. And as I'm clicking, you can see that it says selected parcels. So I can keep clicking around different parcels. And then if I wanted to, I could say print labels. It's going to open up and do sort of an Avery style print label sort of grouping. So I'm going to get out of that and go back to here to my search results. I'm going to do layers again. I'm going to unclick parcels. And again, if I want to zoom back out, I can just hit all listings, and here I am. Now, the last thing I want to show you is more of the integrated Google features. So I'm going to do Street View again, and this time on the side here, you're going to see this little meeple. I can actually drag my meeple here, just like I could do in Google Maps. I'll drop, and now I can see a Street View right here where that PIN card is. And that's the property here on the left. And, just like in a street view in Google, I can zoom around, I can zoom out. And at any point in time, if I want to go back to a different property or get out of that view, I can just click over here on the side. And again, I can just drop that. And here's the different view. I want to zoom around and look at the property. So that is a quick view on the map options. And again, this can be used in conjunction with any of the other action tools here on the side and any of these icons here at the top. And as always, if you ever run into any problems, you can always call us or email us at mls@sfrealtors.com, and we'd be happy to help.